Lotus Notes was one of the prominent email clients. However, many users are shifting to other email providers. If you are one such user who has NSF files and wants to convert them into MBOX file format, you are probably looking for an effective and simple solution to serve your purpose. No need to worry, we bring you the most trusted application to migrate your mailbox data, DRS NSF to MBOX Converter Tool. Key highlights of the DRS NSF to MBOX Converter. You can add as many NSF files as you want. You can also add a complete folder. It shows the preview of all the mailbox items in the selected folder prior to migration. Using the application, you can convert your NSF files to PST, OST, MBOX, EML, EMLX, MSG, PDF, HTML, MHTML, and CSV. Along with file formats, you can also export your mailbox data to Gmail, Yahoo Mail, AOL, Office 365, Hotmail, LiveExchange, and IMAP. The software provides you an option to convert emails of a specific date range. You can also remove duplicate mailbox items based on to, from, subject, BCC, and body while migrating data. The application allows you to deactivate the password protection from an encrypted NSF file. The software is compatible with all the latest and early versions of Windows. There are some prerequisites that you need to fulfill for using the application effectively. Let us see what they are. You need to run the application with administrator access. Installation of the IBM Lotus Notes email client in your system is mandatory. You must have an active internet connection because the application downloads some additional files. Turn the Windows Defender and antiviruses off. It allows the application to run without hindrance. Till now, you have learned all the prominent features and necessary prerequisites to use the application. It is time to learn how to use the application. Open Google and type DRS NSF to MBOX Converter and download it. After successfully downloading the application, install the application and run it as administrator. Now, it is the main home screen of the application. Here you have multiple options, but the two main options that assist you in migrating your NSF files to MBOX file format are Select Files and Select Folder. Using the Select Files option, you can add the desired NSF file from the system in the application. You can also add multiple Lotus Notes NSF files using this option. Another one is the Select Folder option. As the name suggests, it allows you to add an entire folder containing multiple NSF files to the tool. For demonstration purposes, we click on the Select Files option. Now, the File Explorer gets opened. Locate the file that you want to convert and select it. Click on the Open button to add the file and proceed to the next step. Now, you see a tree structure in the left pane of the tool. These are the mailbox folders of the selected NSF file. Double-click on any mailbox folder to check the list of all its emails. Similarly, you can also check the preview of any email by selecting that particular email. Tick the mailbox folders that you want to convert and click on the Next button. Now, you land on the conversion page of the NSF to MBOX Converter Tool. In the left section, you see the list of file formats and email providers in which you can migrate your NSF files. You can select any option as per your requirement. However, we are selecting MBOX for demonstration purposes. Next, in the right section, you see two tabs, Mail Date Filter and Advanced Filtration option. The Mail Date Filter allows you to convert emails of a specific date range and exclude the remaining items. Tick the Date Filter option and select specific values in the From and To field. It will define the date range for migration. You can also choose the naming convention for the resultant MBOX file. Expand the list to see the available options. Choose an option as per your preference. After that, switch to the Advanced Filtration option. Tick the Exclude All Folder option. It helps you to skip the mailbox folder name all from the conversion. The next option is the Remove Duplicate Mails option. This feature allows you to create an accurate backup by excluding duplicate mailboxes from migration. You can disable password protection from the selected NSF file by opting for the Remove Encryption option. After that, tick the HTML formatting option for maintaining the layout and format of the desired email. Now, you have selected all the desired properties of the tool. Click on the Select Path button to define the saving location to the resultant file. At last, click on the Convert button to start converting your IBM Lotus Notes NSF files to MBOX file format. After successfully converting your NSF files, you will see the location of the resultant MBOX file. This is the complete working procedure of DRS NSF to MBOX Converter Tool. Visit our website to download the software. If you have any queries related to the product, please contact us at the mentioned emails. Thanks for watching the video.